Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about United States and cryptocurrency. What is the difference between why United States takes this cryptocurrency as a risk? Let's discuss this video in detail. But before going to detail, I wanna say if you didn't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Let's discuss this in detail. United States Treasury calls for stricter cryptocurrency compliance with IRS, says they pose tax evasion risk. What are the key points? The Treasury Department announced that it will require any transfer worth 10,000 USD dollar or more to be reported to the IRS. Cryptocurrency already poses a significant detection problem by facilitating illegal activity broadly, including tax evasion, the Treasury said. Number 3 point. Investors have seen the value of Bitcoin slide about 25% over the past month and talk of capitulation creep into online forums. The Treasury Department on Thursday announced that it is taking steps to crack down on cryptocurrency market and transactions, said it will require any transfer worth 10,000 USD dollar or more to be reported to the Internal Revenue Services IRS. Cryptocurrency already poses a significant detection problem by facilitating illegal activity broadly, including tax evasion, the Treasury Department said in a release. This is why the President's proposal, including additional resources for the IRS, Internal Revenue Services, to address the global growth of crypto assets. The department added, within the context of the new financial account reporting regime, cryptocurrencies and crypto assets exchange account and payment service account that accept cryptocurrencies would be covered. Further, as with cash transaction, business that receive crypto assets with a fair market value of more than 10,000 USD dollar would also be reported on. Bitcoin reversed course shortly after the Treasury announcement and was led seen trading up 1.6%, according to Coin Matrices. Previously in the session, it was up more than 9%. A growing number of Wall Street analysts have, over the past month, sounded the alarm that regulates at the Treasury and the Securities and Exchange Commission could soon take a more active role in cryptocurrency regulation. The Treasury Department release came as part of a broader announcement on the Biden's administration efforts to crack down on tax evasion and promote better compliance. Among proposals officials are considering are bolstered IRS funding and technology and more severe penalties for those who evade their obligations. According to Treasury estimate, the difference between taxes owed to the US government and those actually paid totaled nearly 600 billion USD dollar in 2019. Increased regulation will likely upset some cryptocurrency investors who have seen the value of Bitcoin slide about 25% over the past month and take of capitulation creep into online forums. With long-time cryptocurrency expert Gary Gensler at the head of SEC, Raymond James expects it is only a matter of time until Congress grants the regulator broader jurisdiction. He told lawmakers earlier this month that allowing the SEC to regulate cryptocurrency exchange will help ensure investors are protected and prevent market manipulation. Chairman Gensler is viewed as a political ally for cryptocurrencies as a former professor on the topic. However, these statements are likely to reverse debates regarding to regulatory risk to cryptocurrencies and exchanges. Raymond James analyst E.D. Mills wrote earlier in May, in short term, this could cause headline risk, he added. However, in the medium to long term, regulation would add further legitimacy to the asset class and could provide a regulatory moat around existing cryptocurrency exchange. While involvement by the Treasury Department and the SEC may ultimately prove a boon for cryptocurrency investors, and near-term regulatory hurdle will likely come as another bother for investors in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and like this. Those sentiments were edged by Miller Tabak last month when the firm told clients that cryptocurrency market are not properly considering legal risk. Confirmation of Gray Gensler as SEC chairman and cryptocurrency volatility over the weekend following rumors of tighter regulations highlight the regulatory risk facing this industry. Strategic economist Paul Shia wrote in April, the difference in regulatory risk and progress as a mean of payment raises an important question. Are other coins recent success due to good news about them, or are they piggybacking on positive sentiments related to Bitcoin? He added, Democrats and Republicans alike have made cryptocurrency regulations a top priority in 2021 as run-ups in the price of Bitcoin and other digital assets last year sparkled concerns of market manipulation and uniform retail investment.